cracked his knuckles every day for 60 years, and you won't believe what happened. This is Dr. Donald's, and growing up, his parents always told him to never crack his knuckles because it's bad for you. However, it was so long ago and there was barely any information out there if it was bad or good for you. So he decided he was gonna do an experiment. For the next 60 years, he cracked the knuckles on his left hand, but not on his right. And after cracking them every single day for 60 years, he went and got an x-ray. He wanted to see if there was any difference from the left hand to the right. And after looking at the x-rays, the doctors came to the conclusion there was no difference.